Jose Antonio de Sumergar. Today, my project is let's have a fun weekend together. A the A bike bu buddies. How everything going? I inviting you all to go on cycling route to Cayahuanca in the coming day. I am going to buy a new bike that is lighter than my old one, which is why I'm letting you know in case you want to go. As you know, the road does as is no challenge, but the reward of reaching the top. Enjoy the landscape, the fresh air, and of course, eating some delicious chirimoya ice cream is totally worth it up. It will be the perfect excuse for us to meet up again, put some kilometers into our leg, and spend a weekend with other cyclists. Yeah. As they call you, please check your checklist patch of your T-Res and confirm who it is in. That way we will be able to coordinate the exact day. It can be this Saturday or Sunday, and departure departure time might we get agreed up together for this. I hope most of you can make it. Uh, Thank you.